Welcome to Hiragana Lesson 5. In this lesson, we will learn the N row in Hiragana. Before we begin, let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. We have already learned the vowel row A, I, U, A, O. Then we have done the K row Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Then the S row Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. And last we did the T row Ta, Chi, Su, Te, To. Now let's move on to the N row. The N row characters are Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. This is Na. Na. This is Ni. Ni. This is Nu. Nu. This is Ne. Ne. And this is No. No. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. So let us see the stroke order of the N row. The first character of the N row is Na. It's Na. Na. So let us see how to make the strokes. This character Na has got 4 strokes. The first stroke is like this. The second stroke is like this. The third stroke is like this. And the fourth stroke is like this. This is Na. Na. The second character is Ni. Ni. The second character is Ni. This character has got 3 strokes. So let us see how to make them. The first stroke is like this. The second stroke is this. And the third stroke is this. This is Ni. Ni. The third character is Nu. Nu. The third character is Nu. This character has got 2 strokes. So let us see how to make them. The first stroke is like this. And the second stroke is like this. This character is Nu. Nu. The next character is Ne. Ne. This character is Ne. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got 2 strokes. The first stroke is like this. And the second stroke is like this. This is Ne. Ne. The last character is No. No. The character is No. This character has got just 1 stroke. So let us see how to make this character. The stroke order is like this. This is No. No. Let's see how much you have learned. Which is this character? It's No. Which is this one? It's Ne. Which is this one? It's Nu. And this one? It's Ni. And the last one? It's Na. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. Great job! Practice these characters today. And in the next lesson, we will learn the H row. Ha, He, Fu, He, Ho.